Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing a quick review and tutorial on how I personally use the brand new Farsali Liquid Glass Radiant Serum. Now here is the packaging. It's very beautiful. It's matte glass, transparent, translucent. Bottle, you get the gold print on the outside, the name Farsali. It has the dropper just like the rose gold elixir, which is one of my favorite products. But as you can see, here is the actual product. When you drop it on your skin, it definitely leaves that glass-like texture. And I, for reference, have dry to normal skin. I have medium to tan olive skin, and I also have discoloration, redness under my nose, spots, and all that. But here it is on the back of my hand, just so you can see what it looks like as a kind of primer for your skin. I personally don't use it that way, but I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like just kind of swatched on the skin. Definitely glass-like. But what it is a hybrid makeup skincare serum that promises to deliver a glassy, long-lasting, radiant skin look in one single step. I personally like to use it as a mixer. I also personally don't use foundation or primer right now, and I've been loving that. Just concealer is what I have been doing lately, and I've been loving that technique. But I'm going to go ahead and put two different concealers. They are kind of a medium to full coverage concealers. One is a Sephora Make No Mistake concealer in the shade Caraway, and the other one is the Too Faced Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in Natural Beige. And I just put 2 drops of the serum, the liquid glass, on the back of my hand like a palette, and I'm going to apply it with a Real Technique sponge. And here is my face without any kind of product on it yet, and now I'm going to go ahead and start this tutorial. So instantly, this applying the concealers mixed with the serum, for me, feels amazing, feels comfortable. It doesn't create any wrinkles or anything like that. It smooths out the skin. It doesn't mess with the concealer texture. It almost kind of makes it better, and it also gives me a luminous glow. This product has hyaluronic acid, which revitalizes and replenishes the skin's outer layers with moisture and diminishes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It also has Aquacell, which combines watermelon rind extract, lentil fruit extract, and apple extract to provide long-lasting hydration. And it is also free of sulfates Sls and SLES, parabens, phthalates, and mineral oil, and contains less than 1% of synthetic fragrances, which is amazing for those that have sensitivity to smell. And this product is also vegan and cruelty free, which is another plus. And this is what it looks like using a sponge. I have tried using a brush, but I prefer the sponge over the brush, applying the mixture with the serum. And I also do want to mention that this product is also inspired by the Korean skincare trend of glass skin. This unique formula combines the usual 10-step routine into one powerful bottle that hydrates, radiates, and gives you a translucent crystal-like skin look. This product retails for $54. You can purchase it at Sephora, or you can also purchase it on their website. But this is what it looks like with the rest of my makeup. No foundation, no primer or anything, and I love it so much. Definitely going to add it to the faves and maybe try it out with skincare just by itself. But that was my video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it helped you out in any way that it could. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, check out my other playlists, and I will see you guys all next time in my next one. Bye, guys.